Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. It is 9:13 in the morning. We had the end of non-farm payroll come out. I don't even know what it is. I don't care. I'm a technical trader, so I just look at the charts. So we're starting off with Eurodollar for all you Eurodollar maniacs. 170, we went to 117.30. The level that it has to hold right now is 117.01. It's a short-term point. 117.01 goes. We could look at 116.70 as a support. If that breaks, it's 116.41. The only way it shows any type of true strength today is if it can get above 117.93, that upper level that's been there for quite a while. So your trigger point right now, let me make sure I got the right one, is the first warning is a break of 117, the figure. The next sign of weakness, if it breaks 116, like 76, something like that. So your first level of warning is 117, and then well, let's go 116.70. If it breaks that, then it's actually showing weakness. Right now, it's still in a tight coil consolidation. It hasn't really broke up either way. All right, so right now, I'm short euro yen at 172.79. I got a target really close at 172.45-ish, kind of close to it. I'll be moving my stop to probably entry at this point, but that's besides the point. Get in my trading room, man. I call it, and I give the trades out. So let's look at good old sterling yen. Why isn't this loading up? Here we go, sterling yen. Sorry about that. Support sits right at 198.95, or it's got to get above. I'm going to say right now to show any type of strength that it's recovering is 199, say 50-ish, 199.50. That's Klein. I'll leave it at 199.52. Um, what the freak? Okay, 199.49. Okay, fine. 199.50. All right. So right now, if it breaks through 198.95, we're looking at a potential run back down to like 198.57 in the short term. Let's look at good old dollar yen real fast. All right, dollar yen. It's got to get above 147.55. If not, it's drifting down towards the main support at 146.72. Then there would be a new look um, in dollar yen. You know, if that breaks, it's opening up its path to like 146.20. So this is a critical price on the day. It needs to close above 147.53. If it can't do that, it's actually drifting lower. Um, if it breaks this level, 140, say 670, we're drifting down like 146.20. Now, we got to pay attention. Actually, dollar yen is kind of tricky, tricky, tricky. So I'm keeping my eye on that one for sure. And I'm also watching how the euro dollar reacts if dollar yen plunges and the euro dollar doesn't get any tailwinds, then we could say that the cross is definitely moving lower. All right, let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. Let's check that one out. What the freak is going on? Sterling dollar itself. All right, resistance 135.51 is the main resistance. It's got to hold 134.94. If it can get up through 135, it's got resistance at 135.94 and 136. Monster resistance up there. So got to pay attention to that. If it breaks down below 134.93, it's another false break up. It's going to cascade down lower. All right, let's look at good old euro yen finally. Euro yen itself. Okay, down below 172.80. It's actually drifting towards 172.36. But the first line of defense, I think, is right around 43, 44, 45. That was like my short-term target. So it's kind of drifting away from that right now, but not in any real trouble yet. All right, so that's what I got going on for you guys for the daily Forex update. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Make sure that you check out the description. Got a boot camp coming up for market structure. You're not going to want to miss that. I also have in the description, you get yourself a free ebook and video series on price breakouts. Really cool little book. And I'll see you on the weekend for maybe a brief like lesson on something. I haven't figured it out yet. And also, of course, the weekly update. I'll see you soon. Cheers.